What's up mga ka-extra rice? This is Papa Sep TV and for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin is kung paano nga ba gumawa ng account or mag-open account kay Binance application. No, so sa Binance guys is just isa siyang cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. No, so parang na din siya, parang trading company. No, parang trade din siya. No, so Binance app ang tawag sa kanya. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo para mukhang pro. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update. O yun yan guys, nandito na tayo sa Play Store natin at type lang natin dyan is Binance, no? So type natin yung Binance. At ayun na nga guys, no? So, dina-download din natin yung Binance. After nyan guys, is click nyo lang yung open. Yan guys, open na natin kasi tapos na natin i-download yung Binance, no? So, Bitcoin to or cryptocurrency, no? Click natin yung open at mag-loading na siya guys. Antayin lang natin. So, sabi ito is, which type user are you, no? So, ano daw yung gusto mong dito? So, ako kasi guys, hindi pa masyadong expert, no? So, click natin tong nasa unahan, yung crypto. Yan, click natin yan. And dito guys, is pipili kayo, no? Kung yung email or yung phone number or continue with Google, no? So, ang pinili ko dito guys is yung phone number or yung email, no? So, dito nga sabi is create your personal account, no? So, ilalagay lang natin yung number natin at i-check natin yung kulay bilog na yung bilog, kulay tuloy. Yung circle yan, ganyan guys. Nalagay na natin yung number natin. And kapag nalagay na is click next nyo lang. At sabi dito is please select all image, yung ship daw or yung barko, no? So, hanapin lang natin barko at i-click lang natin, no? So, after nyan is click verify lang natin. After nyan guys is maghihingi siya ng phone verification, no? So, galing sa number natin, phone verification, and kung email naman yung nilagay nyo kanina is magsisend yun sa email at ilalagay nyo dito yung verification. At kapag nalagay nyo yung OTP is click submit nyo lang. At dito guys is maglalagay na tayo ng password. Yung set password, dapat yung special character or mga special letter guys, no? Dapat mag-green lahat niyan ng check yan. Katulad nito guys, no? So, nag-green lahat, nag-check green lahat, no? So, after nyan, kapag nalagay nyo yung password nyo is click next nyo lang. So, sabi dito is account created, no? So, click lang natin yung done. And dito naman guys is click lang natin yung add passkey kung gusto nyo, no? Pero kung ayaw nyo is click nyo yung X sa taas. At dito naman guys is let's get you verified, no? So, nilagay kong country dyan guys is Philippines kasi nasa Pilipinas tayo, no? So, after nyan, continue nyo lang at kapag na-continue guys is ilalagay nyo yung name nyo, first name, last name, and middle name, no? So, and select continue. After nyan guys, sabi dito is what is your nationality, no? So, syempre sa Philippines pa din tayo. And after nyan is click continue nyo lang. Ito naman guys is what is your date birth, no? So, yung araw at yung buwan at saka yung taon, no? Kapag nalagay nyo na yan, click continue lang ulit. At dito naman guys is yung home address kung saan kayo nakatira, no? So, yung present address guys kapag nalagay nyo yan is click continue na lang ulit. Ito naman is what is your current resident address, no? So, ilalagay nyo dyan, tsaka yung postal code, tsaka yung city, and yung region, no? So, kapag nalagay nyo na yan guys is click continue nyo lang ulit. So, next guys is document verification. Dito naman sa document verification guys is pipili kayo ng mga ID na gusto nyong i-present, no? So, akin napili ko tong may humid, no? So, click continue lang. After continue guys is dito na tayo para picturean yung ID natin na no? So, click continue lang guys para lumabas yung camera. And click nyo lang dito is while using this app. At eto na yung ID natin guys, no, pinipicturean na natin, no, dapat malinaw guys at hindi blurred dapat, no. So back to back nga pala yan guys, kailangan picturean. So sasabihin naman yan kung kailangan nang i-flip yung ID. After nyan guys is okay na, magko-continue na yan. And sabi dito is document uploaded, no. So successful yung pag-upload natin ng ID natin and click continue lang. And next naman guys is liveness check, no. Titingnan dito at magsiselfie kayo, titingnan dito sa camera kung buhay nga pa talaga kayo. So, gagawin dito is ibilik niyo yung mata nyo, yuyuko kayo, titingala at ngingiti, no. At kapag nagawa niyo yung step na yun, saka lang kayo mag-continue, no. So, eto na yung next verification natin, complete verification, complete ang sabi dito, no. So, click okay nyo lang or click close nyo lang, no? So, eto na nga, no? So, allow lang natin tong notification na to. Mapupunta tayo dito ay sa account created. Created, no? So, add back to the home page lang tayo. Click nyo yung back to the home page. Or go to home page, no? So, go to home page tayo. At nandito na nga tayo sa dashboard ni Binance, no guys. So, nakikita nyo is zero balance pa yung natin, yung total balance natin. So, wala pa siyang laman, no? So, click naman natin yung profile yung nasa taas, guys. Yung nakadrawing na tao. Click natin yun. At dito nga, makikita natin is active tayo, no? So, fully verified na tayo kay Binance. So, ganun lang kadali gumawa ng account kay Binance, no guys? Syempre guys, kung nagustuhan niyo tong video na to, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.